Mobile SEO optimization. This is a huge strategy because with Mobilegeddon, which was the algorithm update released by Google in April 2015, they stated that they are now focusing on mobile search results. And if you want to appear higher in Google's mobile search results, then you have to be mobile friendly. If your website is not mobile friendly, then you're definitely shooting yourself in the foot there. Absolutely, you must focus on creating a responsive website. So what does a responsive website mean? A responsive website is, in effect, where the design will update and modify based on whatever browser screen size you're on. So if you're on mobile, you're on a tablet, you're on desktop, the design is updating to kind of mimic that. One example of a system that helps to do this is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a great CSS system that you could integrate into your website. It's very, very simple and easy to use. Or you could hire somebody from Elance or Guru.com to help you with this. All it basically does is these elements, which we can see here now on a desktop, will just wrap. So if I slowly collapse this screen, we can see that everything starts wrapping. So what used to be a menu here now, or a login, now comes in here as a drop-down menu. You can see this got smaller. We can see that this was a 3-column row, and that 3-column row collapsed into 1-column per 1-column rows. So this is actually great. So this system, I love Bootstrap, so I'm a huge supporter of Bootstrap, and it's something terrific that you could utilize on your website. If you're using WordPress and you're getting a theme done, if you're getting a custom theme done, make sure that it's responsive. You definitely need to make sure that it's responsive. So depending on who you're going to be working with, or what system you're going to be using, of course, it's going to be different for you. But Bootstrap is terrific. It's a great system that you can just kind of integrate in. It's a mobile first. It's based off of a grid system, so all you have to do is call the different grid styles. For example, the XS is for the extra small screens, and Bootstrap is based off of 12 columns. So these 12 columns make up a row. Now we can, anytime we want to do web design, this is really cool for web design because we could do an 8-column row next to a 4-column row. But then we could also collapse those rows by calling not only the 8-column row and the 4-column row, we can see here with the MD, the midsize. We can also say that on an extra small screen, this is going to be 12 columns. So if I were to collapse this in, then this would take up the whole next, basically the whole row, and then this would just fall down underneath it. So here on an extra small screen, we would see that this would there's a 6 here and a 6 here. So this would take up one row on an extra small screen, and then this would wrap down. So this is terrifically, and for the mid-size, for the desktop, this is going to show as three columns. So when we collapse this down to an extra small screen, it's going to show as 2 columns, and then this is going to head down below it. Might sound a little bit confusing to you, but I assure you, once you kind of get into Bootstrap and you start using it, you really will love this system. But back to our kind of original intent and original purpose here, we are really after mobile SEO optimization. So whatever you need to do, whether you're doing this optimization yourself or you're hiring somebody out, if you can't really afford to hire somebody out, then check out a system like Bootstrap. It's pretty easy to use. There's some awesome tutorials online, but this is definitely huge. Take this into consideration if you don't have a mobile optimized site. This is something that you can definitely use to your advantage right away.